chocolate mousse, you will need 150 milliliters of whipping cream, 75 grams of dark chocolate, and about 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. For the mango mousse, you will need 100 milliliters of whipping cream, 100 milliliters of mango pulp, sugar about 2 tablespoons or so, 1/3 cup of water, and about 2 grams of agar-agar. For the white chocolate mousse, you will need 150 milliliters of whipping cream, 75 grams of white chocolate, and powdered sugar, about 2 to 3 tablespoons or so. So let us start making it. Here I have some water simmering up. I'm going to place a heat safe bowl over it along with our white chocolate. Now while the water is slowly simmering on the bottom, we are going to slowly melt this white chocolate over here. This has already started to melt. So our white chocolate is absolutely melted. Now we are going to keep this aside. There are some lumps over there, but that will melt as the chocolate cools down. Now let's whip the cream. So here I have 150 milliliters of cream for our white layer. You can also use low fat cream for this recipe. Click the annotation to see how to whip low fat 25% cream. Now let's whip this cream. So our cream is perfectly whipped. I'm going to take another bowl and add in my white chocolate to this. Make sure your chocolate is not hot. Now I'm going to add in just a part of our whipped cream to this, very little bit, and mix it gently. So we have basically tempered our cream with the chocolate. Now if we add the whipped cream to this, our chocolate will not solidify. Now I'm going to add in rest of our whipped cream to this. That is fine. Now I'm going to take my beaters and give it a light whip. So my mixture looks light, fluffy and delicious. I forgot my powdered sugar while whipping the cream, so I'm going to add my powdered sugar now. You can always adjust the sugar as per your preference. It's totally up to you. Just fold it well and our white mix is ready. Now let's prepare the mango mix. For the mango mix, I have 100 milliliters of whipping cream. Oh yes, we forgot to soak our agar-agar, so I'm going to take the water and add it to the agar-agar. And this will be there for about a couple of minutes or so. After that we are going to cook this. This will make our mango mousse set. We have the chocolate in the other two layers that will make them set. So for the mango we have the agar-agar. Now I'm going to whip the cream. So our cream is whipped. Into this pan, going on medium flame, I'm going to add in my agar-agar. Now we are going to continuously stir and cook this until everything well dissolves in medium flame. My agar is well dissolved when I have warmed up my mango puree. Make sure you warm up your mango puree really well. I'm going to add in my agar mixture to this. So I'm going to just stir this really well. Into this mixing bowl, I'm going to add in my mango pulp. Secondly comes in my whipped cream all at once. Now we are going to stir this really well. Such a vibrant color. I forgot my sugar again, so I'm going to add in my sugar now. You can just give it a light mix like so. We are going to prepare our last dark chocolate mixture now. No worries of those little bit mango specks. I'm going to add in my whipping cream now. Now we are going to again whip this to semi-stiff or stiff peaks. I'm going to add in my powdered sugar. Now whip this to stiff peaks. This should be fine. Again we are going to temper our whipped cream. So I'm going to add my little bit of whipped cream to this melted dark chocolate. Make sure your chocolate is not either hot not cold. Room temperature is the perfect temperature. Looks fine. I'm going to add in rest of it. I'm going to just give it a whiz. Our chocolate mix is also ready. Now let's assemble our shot glasses. I'm going to fill each one of these mixture into this piping bags. So I have filled my piping bags. So here is one of my shot glasses. I'm going to take my dark chocolate mixture and pipe it. So this much will be enough. Now comes the mango mixture and the white chocolate. Here I have a cloth. I'm going to tap this really well. Looks amazing, isn't it? I'm going to make all my shot glasses like so. You can tap after each layer so that you get an even edge. So I have piped my mousse into the shot glasses and other decorative glasses. I'm going to now keep this in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours minimum before serving it.